Title: Custom Non-Standard Sheet Metal Welding and Fabrication Services. Expert Precision. Tailored Solutions. 1. Material versatility. Work with steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and specialized alloys to suit durability, weight, or corrosion resistance needs. Ideal for custom enclosures, brackets, machine guards, architectural elements, and artistic installations. 2. Precision fabrication techniques. Laser cutting and CNC bending achieve intricate designs with minimal material waste. TIG, MIG welding, clean, strong joints for thin or thick metals, ensuring structural integrity. Spot welding, fast, efficient assembly for high-volume components. Finishing options: powder coating, energizing, or polishing for aesthetic and protective finishes. 3. End-to-end customization. Design support. From hand-drawn sketches to 3D CAD models, we refine your vision into production-ready blueprints. Prototyping. Rapid testing of concepts before full-scale fabrication. On-site adjustments. Flexible modifications for urgent repairs or design tweaks. Applications across industries. Industrial. Custom machine housings, conveyor systems, control panels, architecture, decorative facades, railings, and structural supports. Electronics. Enclosures for specialized equipment, ensuring EMI, IFI shielding. Art and design. Sculptures, and bespoke furniture. Commitment to quality and speed. Certified welders. Skilled technicians adhere to ISO standards for flawless execution. Quick turnaround. Competitive lead times without compromised precision. Get in touch for a free quote. Transform your non-standard sheet metal ideas into reality with our agile, customer-focused service. Phone加861-894-9100-913 Mail 8888@gmail.com